Hey everyone, today we're making a PowerPoint quiz step by step. First, create a title slide. Click the new slide drop-down arrow on the Home tab, then choose the title slide layout. You'll see a slide with title and subtitle placeholders appear. Type your quiz name in the title box and add any instructions in the subtitle, things like whether students should raise hands or write answers down. Next, add a question slide. Click that same new slide drop-down on the Home tab and this time choose Title and Content. A slide with a title at the top and content area below will appear. Type your question in the title box. Now add your answer options. Go to the Insert tab and click Text Box. Type your first answer option, then repeat to add the rest. Typically, you'll want one correct answer and 3 wrong ones. After your question slide, add a feedback slide for correct answers. Click New Slide on the Home tab, and on this new slide type something like Correct Answer in the title, and go to the next question in the content box. Add another slide for wrong answers, click New Slide again, and type Oops, that's incorrect in the title, and give learners a message about trying again. Here's where the quiz becomes interactive. Click on the correct answer text box back on your question slide. Go to the Insert tab and click Hyperlink. A dialog will open. Choose Place in this document, then select your correct answer, feedback, slide from the list, and click OK. Now link all the wrong answer options. Click each wrong answer text box one by one, go to Insert, click Hyperlink, choose Place in this document, and select the wrong answer feedback slide. Do this for every incorrect option. Add navigation to your feedback slides. On the correct answer slide, click the Continue text, add a hyperlink to your next question slide. On the wrong answer slide, click Try Again and link it back to the question slide. To add more questions, just duplicate the set. Select all 3 slides, question, correct feedback, and wrong feedback. Right-click in the slide pane, choose, copy, then paste. Update the question and answers. Finally, test everything. Click the Slideshow tab and click from Current Slide. The presentation will go full screen. Click through every answer option to make sure all the links work. A couple of quick tips when you're setting up the hyperlinks. Leave no answer option unlinked or the quiz will break. Also, you can use shapes instead of text boxes for cleaner looking buttons. Just insert a shape from the Insert tab and add your hyperlink to that. That's how you build a working quiz in PowerPoint. Thanks for watching and see you next time.